This is Angie McCoy talking about the student development theories. And I found interesting articles. This is from the University of Calgary. And I really fell on the bandwagon because of this article, because it is exactly what I would like to incorporate as a college counselor in the future. Starting with the introduction, it says, student development theorists are interested in the process of the development of a person who is participating in post-secondary education. This means that every parent, advisor, and instructor of a University of Calgary student should be familiar with the most recent student development theory and what it has to say about the institutions, faculty members, and parents. While some of this development can be achieved through coursework, out-of-classroom experiences and living environments can further enhance and extend students' learning and development. Student development theories focus on human growth and environmental influences and designs that provide environments to promote students' learning and maturation, both in and outside of the class. As both a theory base and a philosophy about the purpose of higher education, student development encourages educational interventions that strengthen skills, stimulate self-understanding, and increase knowledge. The development of students requires consideration of equality, cooperation, and collaboration among all parties: students, faculty, staff, and administration. Individual students can be assisted to build on their own unique developmental processes. The more individualized this development and the activities that support it, the better. The well-rounded development of the whole person is the primary goal of those who promote student development. Basic assumptions of student development. The individual student must be considered as a whole person. Each student is a unique person and must be treated as such. The student's total environment is educational and must be used to help the student achieve full developmental potential. The major responsibility of students' personal and social development rests with the student and his or her personal resources. And the student development theories that we will be adhering to: psychosocial theories focus on the personal and interpersonal aspects of students' lives as they accomplish various developmental tasks or resolve the inevitable crises that arise. Cognitive structural theories focus on the intellectual development of the students, how they think, reason, and make meaning of their lives. It addresses a sequence of meaning-making structures through which students perceive, organize, and make sense of their experiences. The stages are hierarchical, and each successful stage incorporates and builds on the previous stage. Person-environment interactive theories address conceptualizations of the student, the educational environment, and the degree of congruence that occurs when the student interacts with the educational environment. Behavior is looked at as a function of the interaction between the person and the environment. Many person-environment interactive theories are used in career planning, which is something that I'm interested in going in down the road. Humanistic existential theories address the philosophy of the human condition. Humans, including students, are responsible, self-aware, potentially self-actualizing, and capable of being fully functioning. The forces of growth within each person are facilitated by self-disclosure, followed by self-acceptance, and self-awareness. These theories are used extensively in the counseling. Two of the most influential theories are Chickering's theory of psychosocial development and Perry's theory of cognitive development. These two schools of thought are described in our readings that we've been reading about. Also, with the identity, the psychosocial identity, we've got Chickering and the 7 vectors, Finney's theory of racial and ethnic identity, Super's theory of career development. So all of those would be theories that would help me in the future. Cognitive structural theories. You've got Perry's theory of cognitive development, Kohlberg theory of moral development, Park's theory of faith development. Humanistic, Hetler's model of wellness, and person and environmental interactive theory, you've got Aston's theory of student involvement. I believe that the studies of these theories listed and the proposing that we have to view the student as a whole person and help them function at their level when they come in is a very important process of college counseling. These theories will be in the bank. I have compiled a booklet for myself to have as a reference for when I need them, hopefully in the future. And I appreciate your time in letting me talk with you about student development theories at the college level. Thanks.